Hello, guys. If you're using a Win11 Home version or a Home single language that you want to upgrade to a Pro version without a key for Win11 Pro, today we're going to show you how you can upgrade from Home to Pro. My computer uses Windows 11 Home single language, version 21H2, and then upgrades from Home to Pro. First, you load the Win11 ISO file to another drive, yours to the E drive. How to download the ISO Win11 file? You can download it yourself if you don't know how to load it. You can see how to download it yourself in the description of the video. Next, you need to download and install the WinRAR file, and if you have already installed it, you don't need to load and install it. The software link and installation instructions are also in the description of the video. Because Windows 11 only installs the 64-bit version, you also download the 64-bit version and install it. After the installation, you right-click on the ISO Win11 file, select WinRAR, and then select Extract to Win11 English x64. Why open the candle? Because during the installation, the ISO file cannot be opened, and you wait for the decompressor to be uncompressed. When the decompression is complete, a folder will appear with the name of the ISO file. You close the window. Next, you go back to the main screen to the Windows icon, then select the setting. Here, you click on the Windows Update, and then you find the advanced options. In here, you select Recovery to go to Advanced Boot Mode. In this, you choose the Restart Now of the Advanced Startup item. There is a notification that will restart the machine in setup mode. If you do not want to choose Close and want to go into the setting, then select Restart Now. The machine will restart you. Wait for it to restart and select the setup options. In this section, you select Troubleshoot, and there are two options, Reset this PC and the Advised option. Then click Advised option. Then click on the command prompt. The black screen enters the commands that appear. To enter the Windows installation file, you type from the notepad and then press Enter to open the notebook page. Next, you select the file and choose Open. It opens the folder window containing the drives and files on the machine. To open all files, select all files of the file type, then select this PC. The display name may not be the same as originally because of the additional WinBoot drives. You can find a disk that has saved folders that have not yet been installed in Windows 11 and see how they can be opened on each disk. When you find a saved installation file, you click to open the folder containing the Windows 11 installation file. Here you select the right mouse click on the setup, then select Run as Administrator. The Windows installation window appears, you leave the default and select Next. Then choose Install Now to install. If you have an Activate key, type it in, and if you don't have it, select I don't have a product key, select the window version, select Windows 11 Pro, then select Next. Click I accept to accept the Windows provisions, then click Next and select Custom Install Windows Only. Here are the drive partitions for you to choose the Windows installation drive. This is the name of the hard drive, the next is the total capacity of the disk, this cell is the empty space, and the last is the quarter type. To review which drive contains the data and which drive sets the Shift key ring plus F10, it will appear to type the command as originally. If you type from the notepad to open this PC and check the drive, your E drive is a 120 GB free of 139 GB of Windows installation drive, while your C drive is an 89.6 GB free of 99.9 GB data storage drive. After rechecking the drive, Drive 0 Partition 3 is the Window installation drive, and Drive 0 Partition 4 is the data container. You need to keep an eye on the lightning to avoid data loss. Next, you select drives with less than 1 GB, click select, and select delete to delete. There's a message that you select OK to delete, and after deleting the partitions, they're back to the default. Next, you select the Windows installation drive and select the format to clean the drive. Similar to the previous one, you select OK, then select that drive, then select Next to proceed with the installation of Windows. The machine will proceed with the copy and set you to wait for the machine to install for 15 to 20 minutes, so the patch will turn fast. After the installation, the machine will restart in setup mode. Go to the country or region option you have set as default and then choose Yes. The language of the keyboard is also the default, then select Yes, ask if you want to add more keyboards or you choose Skip to skip. The machine will check and update the setup, you wait for the machine to finish. To change the name of the device, you can choose to skip for now or give your name and then select Next. Continue to wait for the machine to load. You use a personal computer, then select Setup for personal use, and then choose Next. Here, if you have a Microsoft account and you don't have one, the way to avoid entering your Microsoft account is to disconnect your computer from the network. And then press the left angle arrow on the screen, you don't have to enter your Microsoft account. Next, you name your computer and then select Next, this password. If you set it, you type it in and remember to enter it when logged into the computer, but you do not want to set it empty, and then you choose Next, then Accept to continue. You wait for the setup to be installed, don't turn it off. Setup and installation are done in Windows, recheck that the machine has been upgraded to Pro. So I've taught you how to raise the computer keypad from Home to Pro. If you see or like, share and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.